The reason to have a website for a hair salon is not to look modern. People decide at 10 at night, in bed, on a phone, and whoever is easiest to book gets the appointment. Everyone else loses it without ever knowing. No card, no trial. Let us make sure it is you. Nothing here is edited. You are seeing a salon site built at the speed it builds. Describe the salon the way you would out loud. Add your town and your number, and it has everything it needs. It reads the sentence, works out that this is a hair salon, and builds accordingly. The pictures are chosen for the trade, not borrowed from a stock library. That is a salon page. Finished. Your name, your services, your prices, and a photograph with genuine depth in it, because the page is tracking the pointer. The color is yours to choose. Pick one, and the whole salon follows. I just changed a price by clicking it and typing. Every piece of text here works that way, including the ones you have not scrolled to yet. I want to be clear about what you are watching. This is not a picture of a website. It is the hair salon site live. Your services with prices, a portfolio, a few words about you, your team, somewhere for reviews, your hours and address, and a booking form that works on day one. Any section you do not want switches off, and everything you keep can be changed to your taste. You choose the web address, and that is the salon online, free, at your own address, one you can give people. A website that cannot take a booking is a poster. So behind this one is a diary that fills itself. Client records that write themselves, and one inbox for the messages. That is the smart chat, and it needed no setup. Your description became its knowledge, so it can tell somebody what a treatment costs and when you are open. Then the reviews, your team, and the settings. You configured none of it. Your hours, services, and prices all came from the sentence you typed at the start. And this is the hair salon as a stranger finds it. Quick, fine on a phone, clear about the work, with photographs that belong to the trade, and a booking form at the bottom that genuinely books. And that is the whole argument in one moment. A client booked without calling you, and you both got a text. That request is already in your dashboard. Nobody typed it into a calendar, nobody answered a phone, and it arrived while you were doing something else. A hair salon that is easy to find and easy to book, from one description at no cost. Type your own name in and see it happen. Instinctor.